Look here all of you, we have to prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sin A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Look here, this is a very important question, and here first of all we will use the formula, that is A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB and plus B square. So this formula we will use in these two brackets. So first of all, in left hand side we take and use this formula. So look here, what we get, you can understand here. Square of first means sin square A plus 2 into multiple of these two means we get 2 sin A cosec A, and square of second we get plus cosec square A. Same as it is, we use the A plus B whole square in second bracket, means first square we get cos A whole square, then 2 into cos A into sec A, and square of second we get, that is sec square A. All of you understand this? Now sin A square A and cos square A, we have a formula. So we write first that you can write here sin square A plus cos square A. Now you write the second term, that is 2 sin A, and cosec A you can write 1 upon sin A. Then you write this term we will write in last. Cosec square already we write. Now this term 2 cos A and sec A write 1 upon cos A. So 2 cos A into 1 upon cos A. Now look here, this cosec square A is remaining, so you can write here cosec square A. This already write sec square A. So look here, we get this term. Here you can check sin A and sin A is cancel, cos A is cancel, and we look here sin square A plus cos square A you can write 1. 2 sin A cancel, so it is 2. Cos A cancel means here is 2. Now cosec square A we know already, the formula is 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A you can write here 1 plus tan square A. Look here, why we write these, because we want this right hand side with tan square A and cot square A, and in cosec we have 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A we write 1 plus tan square A. So this formula we can write. Now you add all these numbers, 2 into 4 5 6 7, so you get here 7 plus what you want 10, so you can write 10 plus tan square A, and then you write here cot square A. This is your right hand side. All of you understand this? This is a very important question. Look here all of you, how to do this question. Here this first part is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A, and second part is 1 minus tan A upon 1 plus cot A whole square, and third part is tan square A. Means this first part we have to do the third part equal to third part, and second part also equal to third part. So this first part we take here 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Okay, 1 plus tan square A we know already formula sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A we know already cosec square A, and this we have to change in tan. So what we do, we first change in sin cos. So cosec square A we can write 1 upon sec square A we can write 1 upon cos square A, and cosec square A we can write 1 upon sin square A. This is reciprocal, you get 1 upon cos square A into sin square A upon 1. So this will be sin A upon cos A whole square, and this you can write tan square A. All of you understand this? Sin A upon cos A is tan A. Now the second part we will take. This we have second part is 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. This both you have to convert. Look here, this you can write here 1 minus cot A, you can write cot A you can change in 1 upon tan A. Okay, and now you take LCM. What is LCM? In denominator is tan A is LCM. So you write here tan A minus 1 whole square. Look here, 1 minus tan A upon, look here, square, if you do squares and you do reciprocal of the denominator, means tan A upon tan A minus 1 and whole square. Look here, all of you can see these 1 minus tan A and tan A minus 1 both is same. Okay, actually minus, so minus square is plus, so this will be cancelled, and you have here tan square A. So this all sides are equal to tan square A. All of you understand these? Look here, Alapi, we have to prove here cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. This is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Look here, this is a very important question. Okay, so you have to do this. Look here, these sin and cos, you have to convert in cosec and cot. You have to convert in cosec and cot. How we can convert? Look here, cosec we have actually 1 upon sin A. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A, and cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. All of you understand this? So these two formulae we can use here. So you can write place of cosec A. Look here, 1 upon sin A you want. 1 upon sin A means you have to divide left hand side, divide numerator and denominator by sin A, So when you will divide by sin A, what we get? Look here, cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A whole upon cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Look here, this left hand side, all the terms in numerator and denominator you divide by sin A. Okay, why we divide? Because this we change in cosec and cot A, and we know this formula. So you want in denominator sin A. So you divide by. Now cos A upon sin A we know already, that is cot A. So you can write here, this is equal to cot A minus sin A cancels, so you get 1, and 1 upon sin A we can write cosec A. In denominators, cos A upon sin A is cot A plus 1 and minus cosec A. Look here, this is we get, means we convert in cosec and cotec A, and right hand side we have here cosec A and cotec A. Now look here, you can check this right hand side. In right hand side we not have any denominator, means denominator is 1 here. Denominator is what is 1, means this part we have to convert in 1, and it is possible only when this denominator should cancel by numerator, and we cannot cancel these terms. Okay, so what we will do, look here, this denominator, first the cot A and plus cosec A. This is, look here, cot A plus cosec A. Cosec A plus cot A is our answer, so we keep separate this first cot A plus cosec A, and this minus 1 we write here. In denominator you write as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. All of you understand this? Now look here, you have to do some work in numerator so that you can take this common. So look here, we know that one formula. What is formula? Cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Okay, this formula you know already. Cosec square A minus cot square 1 means here place of this 1 you have to write this formula, and here you write cosec A first. Cosec A plus cot A minus 1, place of 1 we write cosec square A minus cot square A, and denominator you can write as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. All of you understand this? Now look here, this cosec A minus cot A you have to write plus or minus time. Okay, plus and minus you have to write, means you know already the formula, A square minus B square, you can write A plus B and A minus B. So use this, we will write cosec A plus cot A, cosec A minus cot A. All of you understand this? Now look here, 1 is multiple of any number, so you can write 1 here. Now cot A plus 1 minus cosec A you write as it is. Now look here, cosec A plus 1 plus cot A, and cosec A plus this is common. This is common, so you can write here common. So common is cosec A plus cot A is common. What is remaining? 1 minus, this is common we take outside, so minus cosec A minus cot A. All you understand this? Now look here, in denominator this cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now all of you look here, this you have to open the bracket. Look here, what is the answer? Answer is cosec A plus cot A, means this should cancel. So you write here cosec A plus cot A bracket 1 minus cosec A minus minus plus cot A. Look here, all of you look here. This is the important term we have here, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now this is our answer. This is our answer, cosec A plus cot A is our answer, means our right hand side is this part. Look at this is should cancel. You check 1 plus 1 plus plus in 1 minus cosec A minus cosec A and cot A cot A. So these terms are equal. So you can cancel this. You will get this. All of you understand this? It's a very important question. Look here, prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Look here, this is also a very important question. Look here, here you can understand this, you have to convert first in sine cos. Okay, so tan theta you can write here sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, in denominator you can write 1 minus cot theta, you can write cos theta upon sine theta, plus cot theta you can write again cos theta upon sine theta, and denominator again you can write 1 upon sine theta upon cos theta. Look here, tan theta formula is sine theta upon cos theta, and cot theta formula is cos theta upon sine theta. All of you understand this? This formula we use here. Now we take LCM in numerator, sorry, in denominator. In denominator you take LCM. So what is LCM here? Sine theta. Sine theta minus cos theta. Okay. Here also you take LCM in denominator. You get here cos theta. So you get here cos theta minus sine theta. Now you do the reciprocal. So you get sine theta upon cos theta. Denominator you do reciprocal sine theta upon sine theta minus cos theta. Plus here also you do reciprocal cos theta upon sine theta into cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. All you understand this? Now you do square. Sine theta into sine theta is sine square theta. Cos theta is as it is, and you can write sine theta minus cos theta. Look here, one time we have sine theta minus cos theta, here cos theta minus sine theta, so you can take common here. Look here, a minus b, you can write here minus b minus a. Okay, minus you can take common, no problem is here. So you take minus common from here, so minus, this will be minus, and cos into cos is cos square theta upon sine theta, and this will be sine theta minus cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta you will have. Now you take LCM. Now you will take LCM. LCM is here sine theta, cos theta, and sine theta minus cos theta is LCM. Look here cos theta is present, sine theta minus cos theta present. So you numerator you have to multiply by sine theta. So sine square theta into sine theta we get sine cube theta. Here you check sine theta we have, and sine theta minus cos theta we have to multiply by cos theta, means cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. Look here, now we know that the cube formula a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This formula is no. Look at a cube minus b cube means first a we write as it is, then b we write as it is, then square of first, then minus, then plus, multiply ab, then b square. This formula we use here. So what we get, look here, sine theta minus cos theta, a minus b, we get this. Now a square of first means sine square theta, then plus ab means sine theta into cos theta, then plus b square means cos square theta. All understand this? Upon we have sine theta into cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta. All we understand this? Now whatever cancel, you do the cancel. Sine theta minus cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta is cancelled. Now sine square theta and plus cos square theta we can write 1. Sine square theta plus cos theta is 1, and remaining is plus sine theta and cos theta. In denominator we have sin theta into cos theta. Now you separate the denominator, means 1 upon, you can write sin theta cos theta and plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Now look here, this is cancel, so you get here 1, and you separate these 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta plus 1. So 1 upon sin theta is what is cosec theta, 1 upon cos theta is sec theta, and plus 1. You arrange only, so 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This you get, and this is we have the right hand side. All understand this? Thank you and a nice day.